Going on, guys, we have the question right here. It's asking to find the limit. So first of all, let's see what happens if we directly plug the 0 right here. So if e power 0 is 1, 1 minus 1 0, and this is going to be 0, and this is going to be 0, 0 minus 0 0. It's about, if you have placed 0 in the bottom, it's 0, so it's 0 by 0. Therefore we know it's going to be indeterminate, so we don't know exact values. So in this case, what we can do is we can use the L'Hopital rule. The only situation we can use L'Hopital rule is when the situation is indeterminate. So we have the situation that is indeterminate, so we can use L'Hopital rule right here. So let's see what happens. So according to L'Hopital rule, what we had to do is we had to find the derivative and then substitute this value limit x approaches 0. So first find the derivative then. So it's going to be limit x approaches 0. Derivative of ex is going to be ex, and derivative of 1 is going to be 0, and derivative of x is 1, and derivative of x square is going to be minus 2x over 2. So 2x over 2, and over the bottom is going to be 3x square. Now let's apply the 0 and what happens. So e power 0 going to be 1, minus 1 0, and minus 0 over, so okay, so here we get 1, 1 minus 1 0, 0 minus 0 0, again we are getting 0. So what we have to do is we have to find the second derivative. So this is also 0 0, so this is also indeterminate situation, so we can keep on going with the L'Hopital rule. So let's do double derivative. So in this case, what's going to happen, limit x approaches 0. So I take the derivative again, so it's going to be e power x again, and this is going to, this is we can eliminate this one, and this is going to be 0. And if you, so let's cancel these two, so it's going to be x going to become just 1. Then in the bottom, this is the derivative of this one is going to be 6x. Now let's apply the 0 and see what happens. So if I apply 0, I will get 1. 1 minus 1 is going to be 0. 0 over 0. Um, so in this case, what I have to do is maybe I have to take the derivative again. So this is also another indeterminate. So I have to keep on going third derivative. So it's going to be limit x approaches 0. Now e power x is going to be e power x. Then this, we can eliminate this one. This is going to be 0. Then in the bottom it's going to be 6. Now if I apply 0, let's see what happens. So e power 0 is going to be 1. In the bottom we can't do anything, so it's going to be 6. So the final answer is 1 over 6. So this is how we find the answer for the situations when we have indeterminate. Let's see what happens if we, the second question right here. If you substitute the infinity here, it's going to be infinity. In the bottom, if you substitute infinity, it's going to be infinity, and infinity over infinity, this is also indeterminate situation. So in this case, we can use L'Hopital rule. So if I take the L'Hopital rule for this one, so first of all, to find the L'Hopital rule, according to L'Hopital rule, we have to take the derivative of this one. So if I take the derivative of this one, this is going to become 1 over x, and this will become 1. And the final thing is limit x approaches infinity 1 over x. So if I apply infinity right now, it's going to become 0. So I have the answer. Therefore, this is equal to 0. That's the final answer. And these are the situations we use L'Hopital rule. I hope you guys understood this concept. See you next one.